Right, Ben. Where I was, I can see their spawn.
Buddy, you can go.
I can see their spawn. I can see the spawn. I was able to shoot. If I wanted to shoot into their spawn, one guy kept coming, kept getting them again.
I was wondering why they're out of lives so quick. Hey Joey, how many lives are left? Off you go.
I mean,
in that case, stand it out. Blue team out of lives. Blue team are out of lives. Blue team are out of lives. Damn, guys, you did work. They're already out.
really? Nah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
And maybe not, that's my first life as well.
Look, Gilly man, you might blend in on this map.
I know, the last time I saw the flag was up this direction. Come on, push! They're out of lives! They're out of lives!
You are?
The other team.
So why are they still trying to run towards us?
No, whatever, still got lives still going. Where's the flag? Where's the flag? Where's the flag? See where the flag is?
No, mate, I don't know. Blue's out, yeah?
Yeah, blue's out of lives. Yeah, blue's out. Really? Hey!
Alright, sorry guys, we're out of lives. Got away with me.
Oh, that's right, then give me a chance to reload.
Yeah. What, already emptied your mags?
Well, I've still got 2 mags, but I'll restock up for next half.
Yep. That's final minute, shut it out. That's final minute! Final minute! Word. I love ATC moving their frequencies around so we have to dodge them constantly. These ones were actually working nice.
Oh, it's colours on the bed. It's colours on the bed.
Yeah, sorry guys, we're out of lives, you gotta just sit here with me.
No, it sounds very dead. It's better have a...
Better to have it out, mate. You can actually see where you're shooting them.
The thing is, I can't wink because
You don't need to wink.
No.
Yes, so unless you have a weird eye dominance, you are meant to keep your eyes open.
yeah, I've got weird, I don't know. I'm right-handed, left dominant.
No, that's not weird, that's just normal eye dominance. That's just eye dominance being different sides to your hand. You can both eye open with that. Vehicle coming up track, vehicle coming up track. Alright, that is game. That's game!
Oh, we've got the flag. We've got a flag too.
We'll run another half. We're going to run it again, switch sides again. We'll run one more, end at 10 past.
Yep. Game over! Holding your fire and switching swords! Holding your fire and switching swords!
Oh my gosh,
No win that game.
Daddy, I'll sit by the Wait, I'll be talking. No, I'll be talking.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Me and Riley are a duo because he can't use the gun.
You get shot in the GoPro. Why is by flinching even though he knows I have 0 gas?
Well, why can't you shoot though? Does the gas like push the bullets? Where are we running?
Rush straight to the bunker.
You sure?
Yeah, no one went there last.
Not that way though, because that way's just death trap.
Okay.
But you might have to go. What if you go through those bushes? Look, they're there. They're there. Yeah, they're right there. So if we run that way, we're done.
Okay, grab the flag, I'm coming. Hip. Move. Right, you need to get going. Go support that kid with the flag. Go! Go! Hip! Go, we need to push forward! We need to get that flag to the spawn! Come on! Hey! Fuck's sake! Hey!
You can only do is one shot and they still won't move.
I know.
There's so much you can do.
I'm just standing up for a minute. It's just... No one's fucking moving forward.
I know. the rentals stay back here.
Maybe I could get forward, get something. That little kid went too fast. Let's it.
Yeah.
So that little kid's got the flag again, I think. If he's a cracking little player. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still here. Just changing position and all that.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you can go.